Hey everybody, have you ever had to divide an uncommon sized board into equal sizes for pieces? Well, I'm going to show you how coming up. So you got a board that is an uncommon size. For example, this is 13 5/8, and let's just say we need we want to rip this down into 3 equidistant pieces. So what you do is take your tape measure and you go to a number that is easily divisible by 3. For example, here we'll go to a 15. And all you want to do is take and move him to a 15 here, and then that way all you have to do is mark at the 5 and mark at the 10, and that will give you 3 equidistant pieces. So there you go. That's how you do it. Now we know we can just measure off 4 9/16. We can draw us a line, rip him down. So just like that, you've got 3 equidistant pieces. I hope this little trick helps you, and if you enjoyed the video, please like and subscribe, and stay tuned next week for our newest build. So as always, thanks for watching. Keep making dust.